Hello, Seven White families. My name is Jen Swiderski. I am the math teacher here on Seven White this year. So excited for a great year and very excited to work with your students. So far, they've been super respectful, super fun, and eager to learn. So it's great to have them back in class. A few things about me. I am a Geneva grad, so I show these really nice pictures, my back to school pictures from 6th, 7th, and 8th grade, often to students. I was not born in Geneva, but I was raised in Geneva. My great great grandparents are from Geneva. So if you're from Geneva, you know we all go way, way back here. It's a great town, and really there's no place like home. So I went to Illinois State University. I graduated there, got my master's degree there, and taught down in Bloomington for 4 years. I taught 6th grade math, social studies, and a little bit of science. And then I decided, hey, there's no place like home. It's time to come home. And I teach math up here now at the original Geneva Middle School building. Before they split, I was actually in my old social studies room last year teaching, which was crazy. So, anyways, so excited for a great year. It's going to be great. I have taught 8th grade math, 6th grade math, and now I'm doing 7th grade math. Very excited for a great year. So your students brought home a syllabus a couple weeks ago for math. So I'll just kind of go through the big ideas here for you. It should be up on my screen as well. First and foremost, my email address is up there at the top for you, jswiderski@geneva304.org. If you guys need anything, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help. I'm here before school, after school, during study hall and lunch for your student if they want extra help with math or have any questions. Big ideas here. This QR code goes to our homework calendar for the team. All upcoming tests, quizzes, homework, notes, etc. could be there for your student. So please have your student scan that for you or show you the homework website on their computer. Things you guys probably know about: grades for an A, 89.5 to 100% will be an A. A B is that 79.5 to 89, so on and so forth, all the way down. But I am hoping all students receive an A, B, or C this year. Materials needed: stylus for the laptop is really helpful when your student is drawing on the screen. Calculators, always that charged laptop. Binders, tabs, and pencils. We have set up our binders and tabs in class, so your students are doing great with that. Feel free to ask to see their math binder, and they can show you what we're working on in class. Absences, with everything going on, if your student is absent, I just ask that they reach out to me. I would love to send them what we're working on. They can check the homework calendar, and I'm really just wanting to make sure we keep all students up to date on what they need to be working on in class. Retake policy, I follow the school's policy. If all the homework notes and assignments are done for a unit with the study guide, students will have 10 days to retake an assessment. Students will need to complete test corrections and complete a retake packet in order to complete the assessment. Students can earn up to 80% on any retake assessment. For our quizzes, they are open notes and open homework. So if your student is doing their notes and homework, they should get a really high grade on those quizzes. Therefore, Mr. Folks, the other 7th grade math teacher, and I decided we're not going to allow retakes on those because they are open notes and open homework. So if your student has done what they need to do that week, they should receive a great score on that. And if they don't, I will be sure to check in with them and see what's going on, what they're confused on, or why they got the score they got. Working lunch. If students don't have an assignment done, I follow the working lunch policy here at South. So the student will have till 8:30 the next day to show me that the assignment is completed. If it is not completed, they will have that working lunch. In the grade book, I will put those in as NHIs for not handed in. When they're handed in and done to the student's best ability, I'll go ahead and put in full credit for those, just for a way for us to communicate back and forth what's done and what's not done. Typically, I grade assessments pretty quick, within 24 hours. And late assignments, I'll stay up to date as quickly as I can. Usually on the weekends, I update the NHIs. So quizzes, open notes quizzes, we went over that. We'll have a unit assessment for each chapter. There will be a study guide assigned to students and 1 to 2 review days in class. Be looking at that calendar. I usually post the week before when we have a test coming up. I'll have study guides, review games, all that jazz for students to make sure that all students have lots of opportunities to demonstrate what they understand and what they need help on. Again, I'm really here to help. 7th grade is a huge year moving into 8th grade, pre-algebra, and then algebra for students. So even those pre-algebra students, I'm here to help out before algebra next year. If your student needs any help, please let me know. All the targets will be posted in the gradebook for you. I'm here to help your student have a great year, both academically and, as a student, as a learner, as a whole, and as a person. Middle school is a great time. I bring myself back quite frequently to my really nice pulled back hair, these pictures, these IDs, and the mascara and the polos. I bring myself back to my middle school days a lot and remember the, really important parents, figures, community members, teachers that helped shape me in these years. And I'm so excited that you and I can really make a difference on, our students' lives or in our students' lives. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you out. It's going to be a great year. Thank you for your time. I know that, I wish you guys could be here and meet you guys in person, but I know that this is a little bit different, but I can't wait for a great year. Please reach out if you need anything, and let's do it. Take care.